The concept I want to explain here is that of a REVIT family. REVIT families can have different family types. For example, it's context-based, so East Bay mud, low water use plants, and then the family types are all the individual species that are recommended, or firescape, zones around a building to have fire-resistant plants. It could be a nursery, like heritage growers or indoor plants. But you see, there's not a limit on how many you can have or what you can do with them. So looking at this photorealistic view of the model as I work on it, I'll just change it so the time of day is closer to midday, where I can see this area of my site. And the concept that I want to show is that you can be working in your model. So for example, here, and I can take one of these plants, I'll take this and drop it onto here. I could actually, no, I'll drop it onto here. Right? So I'm just going to put it in here, first time drop it, and you see my view update to show me this. It's kind of floating in the sky here. What I can do is I can say, why don't you host it on this three-dimensional landform that is the stone mulch area of the site itself. You can move these around and see it as you work. So if I move it a bit closer to the building, we change the time of day so you can see the shadow on the building itself. So it's like that. I can be moving this around on my planting plan and seeing, what's going on. I usually like to turn the plants a bit so that they don't all look exactly they're not looking like the exact same plant. So if I select it and turn it, you'll see that I can see this update on my screen. And I can plant more of them. So I could say, create similar plant, and I'll place them along here. There is a way to put them directly on here, but I'm going to just show it coming in so you can see it update. And then I'm going to select all the plants, all instances visible in this view. And I'm going to say the host that I want them to be on is this either the grass here, which is the area highlighting, or the area down here that is the stone mulch area. And what it's going to do is move them down and put them on there so I can see them. I can work with my clients and show them this kind of live as you design. But it's the concept of a family that really has a connection to another planting family that is a 3D depiction that I want to illustrate here.